If people were to fill this form out right now, they would put their name, their email. We have the radio buttons where they would identify fried or scrambled. I probably would go with fried. They would pick out their favorite drink. Mine would be the Dr. Pepper. And if you could live anywhere in the world you would want to live in, and everyone is going to answer in the J Lab working on advanced tech projects all day, all night. Uh-huh. Well, my cursor is on the line, the space right after the box of where I want to live, so I'm just going to press the return key, move to the next line. If somebody filled this out, how would they get this information to you? There's no submit button. Well, we're going to take care of that right now. In the insert menu, we've been using that guy a lot right now. I'm looking for this guy right here, button. I'll click on button. I'm going to call this submit. I'll say OK. And there's my submit button. I'm going to click on it to make sure it's active. The button name is submit, the value is submit, and the action is submit form. Okay, this is good. I'll put a space after submit. I'm going to create a new button. I'm going to call this one reset. I'll say OK. My button name is submit. Excuse me, my button name is reset. My value, I'm going to change that to reset. And I'm going to change the action to reset form. Okay. Now, everything that is inside my survey is inside the red lines that we created. In fact, I have a lot of extra red lines, so I'm just going to kind of click and press the delete key a time or two to kind of make that not so big. Everything that's inside my survey is inside these red lines. And that's really important because if anything falls outside the red lines, and I can click and I can see everything is being captured when I uh, select the form action. Anything that falls outside the form action is not going to work. Okay, let me do a quick Command S. I'm going to save what we've got. And this is exciting. We're getting close to being able to use our form.